Hello, my little Christmas hams. Welcome to the merriest place on the internet. Today we're going to be decorating this pink and black little piggy Christmas tree. This is a 4-foot black pre-lit tree from Walmart. Costs only about $25, but yeah, you can see due to the lack of lights that it only costs $25. It's okay though, we're gonna make it work. I'm starting with ribbon because, well, it's just difficult to get that around ornaments once they're on there, so we do ribbon first. I was going to go around the tree with it, but I kind of got inspired by the curls and like little pink piggy tails, and we've got some piggy ornaments. So it was like, no, we're gonna do a little curly cute piggy tail ribbon thing. Anyway, it's cute. I love it. Plus, I love the curly ribbon thing. Like, it's just so whimsical. All right, now we're adding on these big ornaments. These are the biggest ornaments we have. There's some just soft little piggies with hats from Walmart again. And then we've got these flying little piggies. These are from the At Home Decor Superstore. All right, we're gonna move on to Christmas balls and bubbles. We got lots of pink ones. We kind of decided on a monochromatic theme for this tree. This is someone else's tree, this isn't mine. And I even had permission to decorate it. So that's cool. We got pink going on everywhere. So now we're on to the balls and baubles. I got this set of Christmas balls from Walmart. Everything on this tree is from Walmart except for the flying pig ornaments. Those are from At Home. But everything else, tree, lights, because it's pre-lit, fluffy, stuffy pig ornaments, ribbon, and Christmas bubbles are all from Walmart, and then the flying pig ones are from At Home. So I'm just going to keep adding these pink things on. They had some different kind of balls and baubles in the kit. What's the word? Set. It's a set. The set of Christmas balls that I bought had different sort of patterns on the Christmas balls, which was really cool. We had just straight up glitter. We had some that were kind of like reflecty disco ball sorts of things, and then some that kind of had a stamped pattern in them. I liked it. It was all pink, but it still added a little bit of different textures and dimension to the tree. And I'm just gonna finish filling in until everything looks the way I want it. Ah, yes, my curly cute picks. These I was very excited about. Also from Walmart. They look almost like a birthday ribbon or something. I don't know. I lost my mind over it because they just look, again, like little tails on a piggy. So I just couldn't resist. They were pink, they were curly, they were fun. Just perfect for this whimsical and piggy pink tree. All right, just the finishing touches and adjustments, and we will be on to the topper. Speaking of topper, I will be making a bow out of the same ribbon we used to go down the tree in those cute little curly cute piggy tails. I'm just gonna make a bow, looping, twisting, and pinching, and then wrapping some floral wire around the bottom. I've got a bow tutorial on my how to put ribbon on your Christmas tree video that will be linked in the description below, so you can learn how to do this exact ribbon technique as well as a couple others, and I show you how to make pretty much this exact bow. We're just going to attach it to the top of the tree, floof it up cute, make sure everybody's happy, and we have a finished pink and black piggy tree. I love how it turned out. I think the color palette is super adorable. It's Christmassy, it's cute, it's fun, it's unique, but it's not like totally weird and out there. It's just adorable and fun. I love it. It's very personal. And I really love it. It's one of my favorite trees I've done this year. If you're interested in some of my Christmas tree hacks to help your setup and everything go smoother with your Christmas tree, you can click or tap up here. And for more Christmas magic, you can click or tap right down here. I'm off to spread more Christmas cheer, so until we meet again, Sparkle on!